Nanawagan nga ang mga fans, especially ang Facebook page ng isang Lori Valenciano. At dito ibinahagi niya ang nasabi nga pong voting ng SEC Award votings ends on July 20, 2025. Let's rally behind SB19 and secure this international recognition for them. So, ibinahagi niya kung paano mag-vote. May pupuntahan po kayong link, nakalagay po dyan. At bakit nyo sila iboboto o why you vote matters. And the winning international awards like this expands SB19's reach and opens doors for more concerts, brand deals, and media coverage. It strengthens the PH music scene and proves that Filipino talent is world-class. It shows global fans, producers, and labels the unstoppable power of 18 pushing SB19 closer to more historic milestones. Let's make everyone vote count. Use multiple browsers, devices, and accounts. Remind your mutuals and fandom friends. Keep voting daily until the last minute. Together, we can make history again. So, dito nga ibinahagi ng nasabi nga pong netizen kung paano kayo boboto. But anyway, viral din ngayon sa social media ang photo op ni Bea Alonzo with the SB19 and the Ninong or ang president ng Pure Gold na si Vincent Co together with Rico Blanco. Say ng mga netizen, kaya pala may pa-luggage si Bea. Confirm na nga na si Bea na daw ang ninang ng SB19 at ang First Lady ng Pure Gold. Ang SB19 po ay endorser ng Pure Gold at nagkaroon nga ng Pure Gold OPM concert at leading nga po ang boy band or P-pop na SB19 sa nasabi nga pong concert na iyon. At hindi lang yan, syempre hindi po pwedeng walang photo op with the President and the First Lady. Narito naman ang naging reaksyon ng mga netizen. Mula sa FB page ng I Want USB19 P-Pop Kings SB19 with OPM icon Sir Rico Blanco, Ninang Pure Gold's Big Boss Sir Vincent Co and award-winning actress Miss Bea Alonzo. Been waiting for this photo to drop talaga, the power that it holds. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.